You will never get into such a situation because I wish you good luck.
Imagine you take a luxury Ferrari for a test drive and this happens. I don't know if it's him or the car, but someone is definitely incredibly lucky. Five stars for this driver and a bonus for rare luck. Today, a dusty whirlwind took away the opportunity for children to play on this field.
बच्चा भी आ गया वो बड़ा भी आ गया
बड़ा ये छोड़ा हुआ बच्चा
इसके पीछे कूदेगा
ये पैर पे पूरा पैर
The driver of this bike was lucky to encounter a loser leopard. Considering that this is not a toy car, it's scary to even imagine the wind speed here. Glass doors are not the most reliable protection, but still it's better than being outside.
all right
Being a spectator of car racing is also quite extreme. Apparently they will have to wait for the wind to calm down, because right now it will not even give them the opportunity to get to their feet. A sandstorm can obscure the horizon, creating a dramatic spectacle that seems both frightening and exciting. This motorcyclist is a master of his craft. And an unreal lucky guy. After the floods in Indonesia, these guys managed to stay safe and sound. And it looks like luck decided to keep an eye on them a little longer. And now incredible luck in the Australian way. Surely the first thing the eyewitness thought about was whether the electricity would turn off from this lightning strike. After that, she probably began to appreciate even the most boring days of her life. This guy was fishing calmly and was almost starting to enjoy the catch, when suddenly he almost became a prey. It is impossible to feel comfortable in such weather. But at least they found a position in which they remain motionless and do not fall. In early April 2024, rising water levels in the Tobol and Ishim rivers in the northern part of Kazakhstan triggered flooding. Trucks and cars were literally washed off the highway. 59 settlements were cut off from the outside world, and thousands of houses were destroyed. It is better not to leave the room or at least stay under a canopy. Hail of this size can be extremely dangerous to human health and even life. The wing of the plane almost sent the paraglider into free flight, but fortune intervened in time. And here's another lucky guy who unknowingly drove at an ideal speed.